Welcome to Ewell Acres. We have a personal motto here that says, rooted in nature, where we try and take examples from nature and incorporate them into our products. So that way, not only can we produce a high quality product, but we can do it in one of the most sustainable methods possible. Now, just because we do it in a sustainable, high quality, does not mean that it necessarily has to be expensive. You can take the best worlds and combine them together. And over years of experience in gathering knowledge from people much smarter than us, reading books, and taking examples from all over the world, from many cultures, we've been able to pile them all together into a reservoir of knowledge. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and share that reservoir of knowledge that we've been able to gain with others. And so that's what this channel is going to be dedicated to. Not only just hydroponics, but also in general of gardening, agriculture, both traditional and high-tech. But incorporating it into a much more sustainable nature so that way we can get a nice balance of both modern but yet keeping with Mother Nature. So come and join us as we take this journey in not only learning with each other, but from each other in a much more sustainable way, so that way we can all be rooted in nature.